I've talked to a lot of OE brake engineers. When I ask them how do they reduce noise on an OE brake system, they come back with one word: consistency. We're going to find out how consistency matters to brakes next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
If you ask a brake engineer, how do they control noise on an OE platform, given they have all the tools of a dynamometer, a lab, they're going to come back with you with one word: consistency. What they're trying to achieve on that vehicle is consistent force across the entire face of the brake pad, also temperatures, and to make sure that that brake pad's not flexing inside the caliper bracket. Why does consistency matter? If you have one area of the brake pad that has more force or temperature, this creates a different region of pressure or temperature. And this is what typically induces noise. So if they can create a consistent friction surface across the entire brake pad that makes contact with the rotor, well, it's going to have less noise. If you have one edge or the center part that either has a higher coefficient of friction or higher temperature, that's going to induce noise. How does this apply to the technician? Well, if you're a technician, consistency matters when you're installing the brake pad. This means that you're installing new hardware, you're applying the right amount of lubricant so that that brake pad can properly move in the bracket and make contact with the rotor consistently. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.